In this video, we'll be going over another question in A-level for binomial expansion. So our question, when 1 minus 3 over 2x to the power of p is expanded in ascending powers of x, the coefficient of x is minus 24. Find the value of p, find the coefficient of x squared in the expansion, and find the coefficient of x cubed. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the value of p first. So when expanding this out, we're going to start off with doing the first 4 terms in ascending powers of x so that it covers all aspects of the question. So we're going to have p choose 0 multiplied by 1 to the power of p multiplied by minus 3 over 2x to the power of 0 plus p choose 1 times 1 to the power of p minus 1 times minus 3 over 2x to the power of 1 plus p choose 2 times 1 to the power of p minus 2 times minus 3 over 2 x to the power of 2 plus p choose 3 times 1 p to the power of p minus 3 times minus 3 over 2 x cubed. And so for the coefficient of x, so that's everything before our x value, so our second term. So we have p choose 1 so p choose 1 is going to be p. 1 to the power of p minus 1 is 1. And then we're left with minus 3 over 2 times x to the power of 1. So that just remains as that. So p choose 1 will be p times 1 times minus 3 over 2 x. So we're left with minus 3 over 2 p times x. And so minus 3 over 2p is the coefficient. And we know that our coefficient of x is minus 24. So minus 3 over 2p is equal to minus 24. And if we rearrange, we get p is equal to 16. So that's our starting point. That would be part A. Now for part B, we have find the coefficient of x squared in the expansion that we have. So we've already got the expansion of x squared here, which is p choose 2 times 1 to the power of p minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 over 2x to the power of 2. And so what we're going to do is we're going to substitute our values in. So we know that p is equal to 16. So 16 choose 2 multiplied by 1 to the power of 16 minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 over 2x squared. So if we use our calculator, we get the value of 16 choose 2 as 120 multiplied by 1, so 1 to the power of 14 is 1, and then minus 3 over 2 times x squared can be expanded as 9 over 4 x squared. So if we multiply everything together, we get 9 times 120 all over 4, and this is equal to 270 x squared. So our coefficient of x squared would be 270. And in the same way, we're going to get the coefficient of x cubed now. So for our coefficient of x cubed, we have our expansion as p choose 3 multiplied by 1 to the power of p minus 3 times minus 3 over 2x, the whole cubed. And so if we put these values into our calculator, we get 16 choose 3 as 560. 1 to the power of 13 as 1, and minus 3 over 2x cubed. So we do minus 3 over 2 and we cube that first. So we get minus 27 over 8 x cubed. Now, if we multiply values together, we end up with minus 1890 x cubed. So our coefficient of x cubed would be minus 1890. As always, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any new content.